Hello friends, welcome to IBPS guide. So today is day 34. So we are going to take application sums. So age basic 5 questions, easy 5 questions we are going to take. Okay, so our mission is SBI PO 2019. So let us begin the session. Before starting the session, I would recommend you to go through day 1 and day 2 videos, because in these 2 videos we have talked about the tips and tricks that we are going to use in our videos, and also go through day 3 and day 4 video, because in this 2 video we have talked about mocks that which you must do, and the previous year questions which you must practice. Okay, so the most important concept which I'm going to talk about the age to you is, this is the most important concept that I'm going to tell. Okay, suppose there are 2 brothers, Jack and John. So we have taken this example, let us not take it again. So let us take Ram and Kishan. Okay, suppose Ram and Kishan is, Ram is suppose 25 years age and his present age is 25, and his Kishan's present age is 30. Okay, suppose 10 years later, after 10 years their ages would be 35 and that would be 40. Now if you see, the difference between the age will always remain constant. Okay, what do I mean by this is 30 minus 25 would give you 5. Okay, that would be plus 5, and this would be plus 5. Okay, 40 minus 35, that would be 5. So this is your concept. So let us begin the session. Let us take first question. So these are 2 approaches of doing the problem. Okay, so first this person is going to solve this problem. How he is going to do is, is going to take variable x, that is 2x by 3x and 5 year hence. Okay, so that is their past age, that is 1 years ago, that is 2x and 3x. Now their present age 5 years hence. 5 year hence, how much that will be? That is 1 year ago plus 5 would be 6, that is plus 6 plus 6. Okay, then ratio is 8:11. What you have to do is cross multiply and solve this problem. That would be 66, that is 24x is 48. Okay, now if you see the difference is 2x, again you have to take it here. What will be 48, 58 plus 8 is how much? 58 plus 8 is would be 18. Okay, so x is how much? 19. X is 9. So what it is, the present age of Rani is what? So the present age of Rani would be how much? 2x, that is 18. This is the past 1 year ago, then present would be minus 1, that is 17. So B would be your answer. So you have seen how this person is going to solve this. So now you have to see how this person is going to solve the problem. So let us write Rani and Yamuna is 2:3. This is the 1 year hence. Okay, so the present age will be someone, and after 5 years would be how much? 8:11. Okay, so difference is 1, here difference is 3. Okay, now you have to make this same into 3 into 3, that is 6, that is 9. Okay, so now what it is given, their ratio would be 8:11. Find the present age of, let us find the difference is how much? 2. This 2 is equivalent to, what is the total? 6. So 1 is equivalent to 3. So Run is, how much is it is? Into 3, that would be 18. Now 18 minus 1 would be 17. So B. So you can see how easily we have done this problem. So let us go to question number 2. What it is saying, let us Ram and his wife ages 5:4. 5 years ago the ratio of the ages was, that is 5 is 9:7. Okay, so what is the difference? The difference here is 2, here is 1. Okay, into 2 into 2, that is into 2. What is 10? Here it is, and now 1. Okay, now how many years? 5 years ago the ratio was this much. After how many years the ratio of the ages would be 6:5. So this is the present age. Now after how many you have to find? 6:5. Now if you find 6 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 5 is 1, into 2, let us do into 2 into 2. Okay, how much it is? 12. This is 10. Now if you find the difference, how much it is? 2. Now the difference is how much? this 2 is how much? 1. If you see, this 1 is equivalent to 5. You have got the concluding from here. So difference here is 2. So into 2 would be 10. So where it is in 8. So what it is, Kevin plus Isai is 10 years more than that of Kevin plus OB. Okay, 10 years more. That is this. Now E minus O is how much? 10. Okay, the difference is 10. So how many years ago OB younger than Isai? What is the difference? 10. So your answer would be 3D. So let us go to question number 4. What it is saying. So this question number 4 is a homework for you. Please go through the question and give in the comment what is the solution. So let us go to question number 5. What it is saying. The ratio of the B's age and A, B and C's age. Okay, what it is given. Now A's age is twice that of X, twice that of C. Let us assume that is X. B's is 14 years younger than that of A. So B is 14 years younger than that of A. That would be 2x minus 14. Then what was C's years ago? Okay, now it is given that the ratio of B's age 6 years hence. Okay, 6 years hence would be how much? 2x minus 14 plus 6 would be minus 8. Okay, then 2c is how much? X. It is equivalent to 4 by 3. Let us solve it. It will be 6x minus 24. So x, 2x would be how much? 24. So x would be how much? 12. Okay, so x is 12. Then what was C's age 2 years ago? So C's age 2 years ago is how much? 12 minus 2, that would be 10. Where is it? It is in C. So answer would be 5C. So if you found the video knowledgeable, give it a like. Please comment how you feel about the videos. Also share with your friends on all the social media websites like Facebook and Google Plus, and also on WhatsApp, and do subscribe to the IBPS guide channel. Okay, so bye bye, see you in the next session.